36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, eating, sleeping, driving, or smoking. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Jad Duick. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Ticket number SP 1423020, count 1, reckless driving, count 2, driver license suspended, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record. Starting with the People.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Counsel and Officer Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Sergeant Mason.
Yes, ma'am. Sergeant Mashon, badge S365.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lawrence LSL 71355 on behalf of Jad Duick, requesting the waive of appearance, Your Honor. We're simply asking for additional time.
That's correct, Your Honor. And the people have been requested discovery, and I will request that today so that we can have it. Hopefully a 30-day adjournment.
I'm sorry, Judge, what you said? Okay.
Okay, so and no objection to Mr. LSL waiving his client's appearance.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, so his appearance is waived. We will adjourn this trial and we'll come back on 28th already. Wow. How about May 30th? Is that all right?
That's all right for me, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. That's the Memorial holiday, and I already know I won't be around. I'm sorry.
It is. So the 31st, is it good for you as well? How about, is it that week or?
Yeah, that week. So I don't know if we go to the first week of June or if that's pushing our luck.
Sorry. June 5th?
That would be helpful.
Yes, Your Honor.
Please.
June 5th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's all right.
Okay. And Mr. Petway, Mr. Dillard has currently all the officers. I've spoken with the officers. I'll be right back.
Okay, here go one more Corporal Spidell's here.
Yep, we talked about his case as well. Good morning, Corporal.
Okay.
Okay.
Morning.
Okay, Corporal Spidell. Okay, Corporal Spidell, I'll have you signed in. I'll put you into.
Okay, thank you. I have a question. I have a couple other courtrooms to sign into
What
if
is-
I need to.
What is it?
One is 220 and one is Holmes, Judge Holmes.
Okay, okay, I got you.
Officer on T probation officer on T. Yeah, she's a violation.
The judge, I've been told Mr. Dillard to start talking to people, and he just in room 5, so he only talked to 3 people.
So what we'll do is when he gets to room 7, we'll bring those people out. We'll just give them a little at a time. Do those people,
Okay.
and then
Okay, all right.
spoon feed them.
Okay. So, wow. Okay. Could I have your name, please?
This is Cecilia Richard.
Is what's your first name?
Cecilia, T-A-S-H-I-A.
Okay. Listen, Miss Richards, I'm going to sign you in. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room so you can talk to an attorney. You don't eliminate all noise background from me. Now, Miss Richards, if you come back you're gonna have to have on your video. You have to get someone to teach you how to do it, or we're gonna have to give you another day. So you have to learn.
Okay, I have Zoom, but for some reason it won't let me connect because of my Android that I have. I have Zoom.
Well, if you have to come back, you gotta do something where you can Zoom in, or we have to give you an in-person hearing where you can come in person.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room and you wait patient. It's gonna be a while because it's a lot of people, but just wait patiently. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 30. And you gotta eliminate the noise. That's what I'm saying. You got to eliminate that noise in the back.
Okay, that's the courtroom. I have it on my laptop. That was the courtroom.
It can't be the courtroom because there's no noise coming from my courtroom.
No, I have it on my desktop. It was just that was the only noise it was.
Oh, okay. I'll put you in breakout room.
Okay,
30.
thank you. I'll wait. All right, thank you.
Oh gosh. Mr. Dillard on a Friday. I'm gonna send Mr. Dillard a text and tell him after he talked to breakout room 7, please come to the main session.
I don't see an Erica Cabrera.
She signed in.
I know, but I don't see her on the docket.
She's up. Erica Cabrera. Let me see.
Is that her last name, Cabrera?
Let's see, Erica Cabrera. Why did I put her in? I'm gonna bring her out. As soon as I write this to Mr. to break out room 7, please become to main session. And now let me break out Ms. Cabrera. I might have got caught up in the mad and put her in there. Cabrera.
Unless it's Erica Rosales. Maybe it's Erica Rosales.
Yeah, that sounds, when I think I had Eric.
No, her middle name's Nicole.
No, Ms. Cabrera. Ms. Cabrera. Oh, that was because I completely, that was my mistake because Ms. Cabrera.
Yes,
What is your full name?
Erica Nicole Cabrera.
Is it Rosales?
Yes, it was.
Okay. She's
Let me
Rosales.
change that. Let me change that.
Okay.
You have an attorney, don't you have?
Yes.
Okay, yes.
I do not see anything.
Wait, you turn back on your video.
Mm,
Attorney Acock. Let me put that down, Acock. Okay, I got Mr. Cabrera, Ms. Rosales, turn back on your video.
it doesn't allow me to. All I see is a black screen.
Tap your camera at the bottom left.
There's nothing at the bottom. It's just black. The whole screen.
And this is a trial. Disconnect from Zoom. Your attorney is here. Disconnect and rejoin with video and audio.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. public.
Hmm.
Did, okay, so Darnell, did Corey Carson, did he call in or appear?
The Sergeant Carson?
Yes, Sergeant Carson.
Yes,
He did check in, okay.
yes. Sergeant Carson, he's sitting, let's see, yeah, he's here.
What about, Whitehead?
Whitehead did not check in yet. He did not.
Vidal did check in, right?
Vidal, correct. Vidal's here. Hancock. Okay. What breakout room were you in, Ms. Cabrera? I'm gonna put you back.
24.
24, okay. And he's still talking to 7. Wow. Judge, now, do you want me to start bringing out 1 through 6 since he already talked to them?
Yeah,
I mean, 3 through 6.
yeah, that's fine.
Cool. Yeah. Same case.
You got, you have Karen Dunlap, that's a show.
Okay, here's Roberta. Hello?
And Ira Dodson.
Oh, great. Okay, fine. Herman Dillard is coming. Okay, I'm Miss Dunlap, everyone. I'm gonna put you on mute and just remain quiet until we are ready for you. Stay into the camera. Justin Reed, everyone, you gotta be, judges on the bench, you have to be seated and you have to be quiet and remain in the camera. Justin, get into the camera.
Dunlap and Dodson.
3, 4, 5, 6. Let me see. And everyone, when the judge call your name, tap on your device and on the lower left-hand side is a mic. Just tap that mic and you can unmute yourself. So when you hear your name called, tap the mic at the bottom and unmute yourself. Judge, did you hear me when I said Herman Dillard is coming? I mean, Herman Griffin is coming to
Oh,
help.
no, I didn't, thank you.
Yeah. Yes.
Miss Dodson, you can take your hat off. Thank you.
They be watching, huh?
We're just waiting for Mr. Dillard to finish with breakout, talk to someone in breakout room 7. And then we are open for it.
And that offer should be a
Okay.
Mr. Petway, did the officer for Erica Rosales check in?
No.
Okay. Oh, we're waiting until we can get,
We gave you Roselle, right? I think I did. No, I didn't.
Judge, when we open court, could you do Justin Reed first? Because he was one of the first ones here.
yeah, sure.
Justin Reed, then Miss Dotson, then Mr.
Just
Reed,
read then who?
Miss Dotson,
Okay,
then Mr. Reeves, and then Miss Dunlap, and then I don't know. And then Rose, Miss
Okay.
Rose, and Quilla Rose, the Quilla Rose.
Ms. Rosales, do you want to call I was trying to have your attorney come out the breakout room, but you want to call her to tell her to come on out so we can do your matter?
And I will try to bring her attorney out myself too.
Oh, we can bring out Mr. Dillon. He's talking to Jay. Actually, we can just bring out Jay.
Okay.
There's nothing to even talk about with the officer. So.
Ms. Rosales, turn on your video and unmute your device. Okay, Ms. Rosales, we trying to bring your attorney out. And
Okay.
do you have her number?
Yeah, I have his, hold on.
Could you call her and tell her to come on out to the main session? We trying to bring her out. I see
Okay.
her out. And
Good
then,
morning, Mr. Good morning, Mr. Dillard. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well, thank you, Yana.
All right, so we see that you spoke to the first like 5 or 6 people.
Yes, we can go ahead and call the case. If we can call the matter of Karen Dunlap first.
Mr. Dillard, could you go ahead and get Miss Rose and tell her to come out, please?
Yeah, and Mr. Day, because the officer's not here for Mr. Day, so.
Okay, no PO.
Mr. Dave, Miss and the attorney in breakout room 1. Could you tell them all 3 to come out, please?
The attorney in breakout 1?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 7, and 8.
Zoom user, what is your name? The gentleman walking around.
Bernard Dickerson.
Hello.
Mr. Dickerson, you gotta eliminate your noise.
I'm sorry, I had a doctor's appointment.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I guess.
I'm trying to
Good.
run right now.
That's okay. That's okay.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Dickerson, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. You remember my instructions from last time. Don't answer the phone, text, or let it die out on you. When you're in court, you gotta be somewhere quiet before the judge. And the attorney will be with you momentarily. I'm put you in breakout room 31.
Okay. Can you just let Judge know I'm in doctor's appointment?
Yes, she.
I got issues.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't understand why Mr. Diller is still in there with breakout room 1. All he had to do is tell her to come out. Don't understand that. Ooh, this is Ms. Rosales, did you call your attorney?
Yes, I did send a message. I have to get another phone because I'm the only phone I have
That's
is
okay.
the one I'm on.
That's okay. That's okay. Okay, Judge, did you have Ms. Robinson come out? Was she one of them that you had come out, Judge?
Say that one more time.
Did you have Ms. Robinson come out? Did Mr. Dillon, did you bring Ms.?
No, she's just checking in.
Okay, I think, okay. Robinson.
I don't know why Ms. Rose and Mr. Day are not. Could you tell Ms. Rose and Ms. Day to come out? Mr. Diller, you're muted.
And Ms. Robinson, I'll put you back in the waiting room for a minute. I'll put you back in the waiting room.
Good morning.
Mr. Dillon, did you tell the attorney and the other 2 people to come out?
I left a text message for the attorney. I got called back in before I was able to finish up. I'm gonna go to 1 and 8 now.
7 and 8.
Oh, you want 7 and 8? Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
7 and 8. Tell them to come out.
All right.
Mr. Pett, not with Mr. Ratliff.
Well, how about you?
I'm doing good. Can I get 2 SOSs or 1, really? Be 2.
Officers here.
Yes.
Bennett here.
What'd you say?
Bennett.
Yeah, I believe, let me see, let's see. James Day, yep.
The officer's here?
Is Hill here?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Did, Mr. Petway, did Officer Hill check in?
Officer who?
Hill?
No.
Okay, thank you. All right, and let's see.
Wait a minute. You said Hill or New?
Yeah, Hill.
Hill, yes, Hill checked in.
Oh, he did check in, so never mind, we can keep Mr. Day where he is.
Okay.
And Ms. Rosales, you have to remain seated. Ms. Rosales, have a seat. The judge is on the bench. I don't get it. Why is he just taking?
Your Honor, can I see that file, Mr. James Day? Take a look at his.
Ms. Rose, turn on your video and keep your call on mute and have a seat because we'll be opening court soon.
Okay.
Justin, please sit up. We gonna get you, trust me, Justin, we gonna try to get you out as quick as possible.
Yep, so. On Megan Robinson, Officer Podina is here.
James Day, please turn on your video.
Thank you.
Mr. Day, you can rejoin your breakout room. I mistakenly was having you come out, but you can rejoin your breakout room.
Okay.
Right. Let me see. Okay.
Did I give you the name?
Megan Robinson.
Okay, just make it. Yeah, Megan Robinson. Oh, and it was somebody who's filing.
D'Angelo Dennis.
Yes.
Okay, everyone, we're just waiting for Mr. Dillard to come into the courtroom. And as you, one more time, please remain in the camera, walking around out of the camera, okay? And then when you unmute your device, tap your screen and tap the bottom of the screen to unmute your device. Mr. Reeves, I'm gonna put you back on mute. And when your name is called, tap the bottom of your screen, tap the microphone, okay? And why Mr. Dillard is not coming out? Why?
Go ahead, and open the court. We can do Ms. Acock's matter.
Okay. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. Of course, in session, there's no in and out of the camera. There's no walking around, sleeping, talking, drinking, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. And just so I'm clear, one moment. Did Officer Valerie did not check in, correct?
Officer Downey did not check. I didn't have no Officer Downey. No.
All right. This is the people versus Erica Rosales, ticket number 223555740. Count one, drag racing spectator. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Good morning. My name is Erica Rosales.
Good morning, Your Honor. Leslie Acock on behalf of the defendant, Ms. Rosales.
This matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's now 9:56. No officer has appeared. Ms. Acock, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, we would move for dismissal at this time based on the officer's failure to appear for the trial date.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're on set, Ms. Rosales. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right, this is the people versus Justin Reed, ticket number SP 1080333, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license, not in person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Dillard, P37225, on behalf of all unrepresented defendants today. Mr. Reed, state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Justin Reed.
Your Honor, with respect to this matter, requesting that this be rescheduled for another pretrial. He's in the process of trying to get his documentation in order.
Does he just want to set it for a bench trial?
I'm sorry?
Does he just want to set it for a bench trial?
If the court wishes to ask that, you can do it, but right now he's in the process of trying to get his documentation together. Mr. Reed, do you want this matter scheduled for a trial date?
No, sir. I'm actually just trying to finish getting my license, and then it'll be like she said she dismissed it.
No, Your Honor.
I would prefer to, instead of setting it for another pretrial, I would prefer to just set it for a trial and then.
Well, Your Honor, if on that day of the trial, he's still trying to get his documentation, would the court be flexible to allow him more time to get his documentation together? Pardon? Yes? Okay.
I would be okay with that. What's the time frame?
This is the thing, if I give him a pretrial or a bench trial, it's all gonna be May 12th. Both dates are gonna be May 12th. So if it's set for a pretrial, it's May 12th. If it's set for a bench trial, it's gonna be May 12th. Just see if the officer appears.
Your Honor, he wishes to have this matter set for a pretrial.
You're okay with it? adjourning? It's already set for a pretrial today. Are you okay with adjourning it for another pretrial?
So can we give him more
I looked
time?
at the file.
Maybe 30 days?
For
Because
bench
May
trial?
12th is pretty, that's not even 10 days. That's what, 12 days for this?
How much is the fine? For fine or the ticket?
Okay, well, how, you mean set up for a bench trial in 30 days?
Thank you.
Or just another pretrial?
I think we can only watch 2 weeks, you said?
No, I was just saying, you know, we can go 3 weeks out.
Well, if
there,
he's trying,
try.
I think he's trying to document, I don't think he's gonna have them in his hands by May 12th.
You would just adjourn it.
Realistically.
Okay, I'll just adjourn it and set up
Okay.
for another pretrial,
Okay.
May 30th at 8:35.
Okay, thank you. And so, is that Mr. Justin Reed? So, Mr. Reed, I mean, you know, get on it. This is Tamika Horn, I'm the prosecutor, so just get on it, because May 12th, to me, doesn't seem realistic if you're trying to get your license, but by May 30th, I'm hoping that you'll have them so that I can make a good offer for you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set, sir. This is the People versus Ira Dodson, ticket number SP 1427999, count 1, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good
Joseph
morning.
Dillard.
Oh, sorry.
You go first.
Ms. Dodson, state your name for the record.
Oh, good morning. My name is Ira Dodson.
Your Honor, moving for dismissal of the case. She's provided valid documentation with respect to her driver's license, which she presented to me. It is issued on 3/2 of 2023. It expires on 3/11 of 2027. Requesting dismissal.
Do you stipulate to probable cause, Mr. Dillard?
I'm sorry?
Do you stipulate to probable cause?
Stipulate the probable cause, Your Honor.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set. Ms. Dodson, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
This is the People versus Patrick Reeves, ticket number SP 1427583, count 1, illegal dumping. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Joseph Dillard. Mr. Reeves, state your name for the record.
Hello,
State your name, sir.
Patrick Reeves.
Your Honor, he's requesting that this matter be scheduled for a bench trial.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Reeves. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
All right, so the court is going to continue. You're not guilty. Please set this matter for a bench trial on May 12th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You said 9 o'clock?
Yes.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. You have a good day.
This is the People versus Karen Dunlap, ticket number SP 1425790, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Yes, Your Honor, Joseph Dillard. Ms. Dunlap, state your name for the record.
Karen Dunlap.
Your Honor, with respect to this matter, she's requesting that this be scheduled for a pretrial.
Oh, okay. The pretrial date would be May 12th at 8:35 for a pretrial.
Thank you, Your Honor. Did you write that down, Ms. Dunlap?
Yes, May 12th. What time was it for?
8:35.
8:35. Okay.
All right, you're all set.
Thank you. You guys have a good day.
Have a good day.
Your Honor, what date is that, Patrick Reeves bench trial, Your Honor? I'm sorry. The May 12th also?
This is the People versus Aquila Rose, ticket number SP 1427898, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Joseph Dillard, for the record. Ms. Rose, state your name.
Good morning, Tequila Rose.
Your Honor, Ms. Rose indicated she'd like to have this matter scheduled for pretrial. I'm sorry, a bench trial, Your Honor. I apologize.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Rose. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this matter for a bench trial on May 12th at 9 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Do you have an offer for James?
I do, Your Honor. Yep.
Good morning, Mr. Griffin. Mr. Dillard, the offer for James.
I gave it to him.
Okay, Ms. Horn is gonna give you the offer for Mr. James.
Your Honor, it's my understanding that the officer did not show today's schedule for a bench trial.
He did check in.
Oh, okay.
He did check in. So
Okay.
I gave you the offer, Mr. Dillard.
Yes, I know. I was told that the officer had not shown, and he was brought out of the conference.
I had to pull his SOS. Thank you. So we all like kind of come together. Let me see. I'm sorry. So let's see. I want to talk to Officer Hill. That's what I think, because I didn't know he was here either.
Mr. Day, could you go back into the waiting room and tell Mr. Day was ready for you? Tap your device and go back to the room, Mr. Day. And Judge, could Mr. Griffin start from 16 to 30? Since, that's like half.
So I don't know how y'all want to do it.
Because Mr. Dillard stopped at 7. So, and it's 31 people. So I'm just.
Fine.
So could Mr. Dillard start from breakout room 16?
That's fine. Mr. Dillard, Mr. Griffin.
Mr. Griffin.
Good morning. You probably need offers before you get started. Do you have the docket?
I do have the docket. I'm pulling it up now.
Can you see who's in the breakout room? Or you can't see the name?
Let me see.
I'm gonna make him. Oh, you gotta make him co-host if you can.
I can see who's in the breakout rooms.
Okay. So, all right. So you're gonna start at 16, and you got Megan Robinson.
I think we
The
went up.
officer is here, so
And I
the
did-
offer.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I'm sorry. The offer for Megan Robinson is limited access. Or I'm sorry. It's speeding 1 to 5 and expired plates.
Your Honor, could I have just 1 second to ask the question of Attorney Griffin? Attorney Griffin, are you House counsel today?
Yes, I'm co-house counsel with you.
Okay, good. I'll take even, you take odds.
Okay.
And Mr. Dillard, we did go up to room, what was it? I think it was 28.
I'm not certain. I'm not that high yet. So
okay.
So this is what we're doing. This is Mr. Dillard, what Mr. Petway told him to do is 16 through the rest. You would still have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 14, no one's in there, and 15.
okay.
So you would still have to do those.
Okay, so I'm good to go with that. Okay, so I go up to 15, huh?
Yes.
Now,
Okay.
who's the last person?